Okay guys, let's look at this mobile setup and we will be using it to analyze volatility 75. So if you are with me, if you don't have the custom made indicator, the 3M custom made indicator or the trend indicator, then you can also use this to make some good amount of profit for yourself today. Okay, but before I do that, let me show you my trading results with the automated trading bot. Okay, so I will just go down to history, and of course you can see it right here. For about a month I've been able to turn $200 into this. Okay, that's huge guys, that's huge. Okay, the beautiful part of it is that I don't really need to do anything. It is the bot that will do the work, and of course I've been making profit with this. This is $12,681 in within a month. Okay, so you can see how it performed. There are times that it make some losses, okay, some few losses, but the beautiful part of it is that there are more profits than losses here. Okay, there are more profits than losses here, and of course that is just the beautiful part of it. And I, to be sincere, I really enjoy this, and everyone that have gotten this from me are also saying the same thing about it. So that is the beautiful part of it. So now let's go back to what we have right here. Okay, if we should notice, volatility 75 started selling right from this particular resistance zone, gave us an entry point around here, and of course it started selling right from there. Okay, so this was more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, but if you should notice, it broke out from this support zone at this point. You can see this is when it broke out from the support zone, because it's all to change the direction of the market at this point. It wanted to but was unable to go above this, so it came down again and broke out from here. Okay, so then it went down again till it got to this particular spot. It has gotten to this support zone, and of course it was unable to break out from there, so it bought again, and you can see I took my TP around here, and of course even though it went a bit above it, but it came down again after taking my TP. That's amazing. Okay, so but I actually thought this will be the beginning of the uptrend. Okay, that is why I first of all took my TP around here. So I was expecting to come in again and take another TP around here, but it didn't go too far. It came down again, and of course right now it is forming another thing. Number one, this is oversold already. You can see the spots where we have it right now. It is oversold already. That is the first thing. The second thing is this is at the support zone, and it is coming down to the support zone again. Okay, that is the second thing. Okay, the third thing is that this is the third thing. If you should notice, if this should come down generally, okay, we are looking at this general structure right now. This actually came down to this support zone, went back up and came down again. So which means if it is not breaking out from this support zone, it will move the next leg of W, which should be a buy. Okay, this will give us another buy, and of course this is what I will advise you. If it does not break out from here, it will give a buy from here, and this should be your next TP. Once it breaks out from there, then you should expect it to get to this spot as the next one. But if it breaks out from there, then it should get to this particular spot as the third TP. Okay, so you should take note of all this and take advantage of the market. Okay, more updates will come up on this on the Telegram platform. Okay, so if you are not on the Telegram platform, kindly check the description box below this video, and I'll also try as much as possible to pin it down to the comment section so that you can easily have access to it. I will be stopping right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.